Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafkar Aditya Rusnandi and my partner is
Laila Corina Sapti.
In this moment, I will show you our research or finding that discuss about Rice Productive Calendar Day that made by using artificial neural network model. In this video, the explanation will be shown by the table of content that consists of introduction, methodology, result, and conclusion.
As you know, today or a few weeks back, we feel so hot due to the higher environment temperature. Why is this happen? This condition is carried out by the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is happened due to the global warming that become horrible in day by day. We will see in a few moments, global warming has several impacts on our life. One of them is their impacts on agriculture. Indonesia is the largest country that has a great potential in natural resources. The greenhouse effect is giving a significant impact for several things agriculture system in Indonesia. For example, we found several things that discuss about crop failure or fires in Indonesia that caused by a lack of water flow. Why is it happen? It happened by the greenhouse effect that made a season shift. Rainy season is became more shorter and the dry season is became more longer. So several sector is having a lack of water flow. And the biggest problem is a lot of farmers didn't know about this condition. They still using a conventional method to setting the rice planting time. So the solution is educated the farmer that today the rice planting time has a change. So to contribute on making the solution for that problem, we made an artificial neural network model to setting the rice productive calendar day. Why we choose the artificial neural network model? Because artificial neural network has believing a good accuracy for their model.
In this work, we set the flow of our study by this flow chart. Firstly, we have to integrate the data. This processing conducted to make the data can be read by the artificial neural network model. This data is integrated to be in range 0 to 1, or we call it normalized, and this process is carried out using this equation. After that, we define the data into two groups, 80% as the training and 20% as the testing.
Okay, now we go to the data training. Data training is a data collection of monthly rainfall that used to make the artificial neural network model is being better. Then, this training process is evaluated by using mean square error and using linear regression. We can say the mean square error value is better if the value is close to 0, and we can say the regression value is better if the value is close to 1. For our model, the mean square error and the regression is 0.0065619 and 0.93101. So we can conclude that this model is being good.
Next, because the model is having a good performance, so the next step is data testing. From the training process, we obtain the equation. So we can calculate the prediction value of rainfall by using the equation. After the calculation, we obtain this data. Next, that data is compared to the target and we found that all the data has a good correlation. So, this prediction is being a good performance.
As we know that, rice plant has a rainfall needed in a value of about 200 mm. So, in a month with the rainfall under this value is not recommended to plant rice. Or we call it not productive day for rice planting time.
So, we conclude July, August, and September is not recommended for Rice Productive Calendar Day. I think this model can be used in another sector to solve several problems in our life.
Thank you for your very nice attention.
And see you in another presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.